What's good, YouTube? We're back again with another video. This is honestly not a video I was expecting to be making, but I'm on my way to Acura right now, out here in Springfield, Jersey, picking up an oil sensor I need for the SI. I noticed I had a leak when I was doing that motor mount install the other day, so right now I'm just on the way to go pick that up. I'll just lower the phone a little bit because there's normally cops over here in the cut. But yeah, right now I'll meet up with my boy JP. Shout out to you, JP, for being the plug. You already know. But yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm at the dealer. Alright guys, so I just picked up the part from my boy JP. Shout out to you, JP. This is the part number. So this is basically the VTC like valve oil sensor or something like that. Like I said, I was doing the upper torque mount install. I saw that mine had, like, not even on there, but I saw an oil leak coming from the side of the block. And then I looked under the car and I saw oil too over there. And I saw the main buildup was in the area of where this sensor is. So I'm just assuming that the O-ring went bad on it. And basically, I was like, I'm not about to change just the O-ring. I might as well get the thing all new like that. I'm at peace, you know, I don't have to worry about anything for a good amount of time now. This should last me another 50,000 miles because that's what my motor has. So in this video, I'm going to be installing this part for you guys. You could pause the video, take down the part number. But yeah, this is what this video is going to be about, installing that. I was talking to JP. He mentioned I might have to take off my valve cover. I really hope it doesn't get that serious. That much work for it's literally one bolt and one sensor plug that I have to undo and redo. And if I have to take off the valve cover for this is going to be like a bigger project than what I wanted it to be in. I'm not trying to do all that, so stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, leave a like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Show the channel some love. Let's get this done. All right guys, so I'm out here changing it right now. It's a little hard to tell, but right there, you guys see it's a little wet right there. I got a 10 on my ratchet. I already cracked it loose, but it's that bolt right there. And I'm just gonna take it out. It's a little hard to record. I'll be right back with another clip, guys. All right guys, so once you crack it, I don't know if I just got lucky, but I'm able to do it with just my fingers. So I'm letting my fingers do the work right now. But yeah, I'm just getting off this 10. Then I gotta disconnect this blue wire right there where my pinky's pointing at, and we'll be all set. And I'll just replace this new bad boy in here and we should be good to go. No more leak. All right guys, so as you can see, I got it off. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna push on that back piece right there and then just disconnect it from this. But yeah, as you can see, I had a pretty decent leak. Pretty sure it's the O-ring that went bad on here. But now I'm just gonna replace the new bad boy. And yeah, also, my opinion, just for myself, I'm gonna put my finger in the oil, right? I'm gonna lube this and just redo everything that I just did. All right guys, so as you can see, I got it back on. Now I'm just gonna manually hand start this screw in here whenever I could find it. I wish I had a cameraman. Inquire below to become my cameraman. But I'll be right back. So day 2, I couldn't finish this yesterday because there was an issue that had to go on and I had to leave or whatever. But I'm at work right now, so I called my son over, Andrew, and he ended up getting it in. What do you want to tell the YouTube?
I don't really know how I did it, but
it's just a pain to get it into that hole. And look at this fucking,
who's that?
This guy, Steven. Look at this guy, Steve. So the install is now done. As you guys saw, my son Andrew got that bolt on. I just put some degreaser on there just to clean up all the mess. Dumped some water on it. Don't mind my engine bay, it's messy right now. I just gotta get it detailed, but yeah, that's it for this install. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Peace. First time not driving my own car.